Hello there, Rob here again, and welcome to this hypnosis video for restless leg syndrome and also for knuckle cracking and anything else of that type where you have the urge or desire to do certain actions. So knuckle cracking, if you need to move, also even stretching, anything like that. Okay. Before we start, I'd like to remind you, don't forget to put a thumbs up in the box below, of course, and favourite this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel here on YouTube, please do. Also, come and visit me on Facebook at Rob's Hypnosis, and also on Twitter at RedNed4321. And please do also check out my website, where the link to is down below. Okay. Let's start straight away then. So can you please find somewhere to sit or lie down? If you're sitting, uncross your legs and put your arms by your sides, either with your hands on your knees, your thighs, or on the arms of the chair. If you're lying down, lie down on your back with your legs uncrossed and your arms by your sides. And if this position is uncomfortable for you, please do feel free to find a better position for yourself. Also, there isn't going to be a wake up at the end of this video, so I would ask you, if you need to wake up at a particular time, perhaps put an alarm clock on. And also, it goes without saying, do not do not follow this video if you're driving or using machinery, or if your attention is needed by something else. If you are distracted or disturbed in the middle of this video, you will wake up and be able to react immediately. But all the same, you've got to think of your safety. Okay, so close your eyes now and just think in to your breathing. So close your eyes and relax. And just notice your breathing, nice and gentle. Just thinking in relaxing your body. Just noticing your feet, the position of your feet. Your hands, your arms. And just allow your shoulders to relax more and more, to sink down. And just take a couple of deeper breaths. So breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And one more, breathing in and breathing out. And just relax. Relaxing your face, relaxing the little muscles around your mouth, and allowing your teeth to be slightly apart so that your jaw can relax. And relaxing your eyes and allowing your eyes to feel heavier and heavier. That's good. Just relaxing. And now I'm going to count backwards from 10. And with each number, I want you to allow your body to become more and more relaxed and allow it to feel heavier and heavier. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and continue going deeper and deeper and allowing your body to become heavier and heavier. And just let yourself relax now. That's good. Just allow your body to keep going deeper and deeper and becoming heavier and heavier. And just allowing it all just to happen. And that's okay. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to imagine yourself in the position you are at the moment. So in your mind's eye, just remember where you are and look down at yourself as if you're suspended from the air above you. And so you're just looking down at yourself and noticing the position that you're in. Just notice that your eyes are closed. And you look quite relaxed. Just notice you're breathing slowly. And now, I want you to imagine that you're going from being above your body and looking down. I want you to now, in your imagination, go inside your body. And so inside your body, there are all the channels, and blood vessels, and nervous system. And I want you now to imagine the flowing in all of these systems. And so what we're going to do now we're going to imagine this flowing, and with this flowing it's just a little bit like the flowing of a river. And so imagine that around your body there are lots of small little channels or little streams, and all the streams are full and flowing. And just like the flowing of a river, with the force of the river water, it takes with it all the debris, all the leaves, and all the branches from the trees, and it sweeps down. And all this material is cleared away with the force of the gentle running stream. And so now you can hear the gurgling sound of the stream as it flows and flows, taking with it all the leaves, all the debris, and all the bits and pieces, and cleans and liberates. And so in your body, these tiny streams and tiny channels are flowing, and they're flowing all over your body, all around your body, down your arms and your fingers. And with the gentle force of these streams, your body is being cleaned of all the material, all the debris. And now working down your legs. Feel now the tiny streams and channels inside your legs are being cleaned by the gentle force, with a gentle gurgling sound, pulsating around all of your body, your legs, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet, and cleaning and liberating the whole of your system. Flowing gently but securely. And with all this flowing is liberating your system. And now going all over your body, going all over your body, beautifully, relaxingly. And as you continue to enjoy this sensation of the cleaning of all the small channels and streams and viaducts in your body, I want you to allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. And whilst you're allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper, I'm going to speak for a moment to your subconscious mind. And so it's not necessary that you listen consciously to my words, but you can just allow my words to flow all around your body and just let it happen. And you just allow my words to flow, and they just wash all over you. But it's not necessary that you consciously listen. You just let it happen. And so, your subconscious mind accepts that your body is being cleaned with this beautiful flowing, and the circulation in your body is becoming freer and freer. And with this cleaning, your subconscious mind notices that your body is now relaxed and in a good place. And your subconscious mind knows that you feel okay when your body is still. You feel okay when your body is stationary. You feel okay when your body is relaxed. You feel okay when you're not moving. You notice that your body is now comfortable. You notice that you forget. You notice that you forget all about your body. And you forget to remember about your body. Because now your body is okay in all situations. Your body is okay when it's perfectly still and relaxed. And you notice that when you want to be quiet and to meditate and to go deeper into yourself, you can connect, you can relax, you can have an inner peace.